In early 1980s, Michael Dine they developed supersymmetric string theory. The universe which we are living works with four fundamental forces. 1. Gravity. 2. Electromagnetism. 3. Strong nuclear force. 4. Weak nuclear force. These four fundamental forces represents it plays a major role for this universe. About all these four fundamental forces, we understood little bit and still developing going on. These four fundamental forces, how much important means if we prove wrong any of these four forces, then remaining four will be proved wrong because these are the major pillar for science which are using now. If you are visiting first time to my channel, part 1 link in description. I hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is Pawan Space. Without any further ado, let's get started. We made a lot of technology up to now and still developing going on. But there is a huge problem, gravity. In quantum mechanics, all physical forces are carried by a certain particles. Gravity is not a force like the others in the universe. If the universe is a play, particles are the actors, but gravity is a stage. In the quantum world is the world that is smaller than an atom. To fulfill this, physicists try to add gravity to the story by inventing a new particle called graviton. Then mathematics broke down. If we could marry gravity to quantum physics and the standard model, we would have the theory of everything. So some small people came out with a story. They asked, what is more complex than a point? The answer is a line or a string. String theory was born. Here we can get a question. What made string theory so effective? String theory described many elementary particles as different modes of the vibration of the string, just like a violin string. Just like a violin strings vibrating differently and can give different sounds. So like this same, strings can give you different particles, and the most important is it includes gravity. String theory engaged unify all fundamental forces of the universe. This is caused very excitement to scientists. String theory possible to fulfill the theory of everything. But unfortunately, string theory comes with lot of strings attached. String theory requires 10 dimensions to work out. But in this our 3-dimension world, it doesn't work out. So nobody succeeded to prove 10 dimensions in an experiment. So string theory did not reveal the nature of universe. So in this case, string theory not useful at all. Because science is all about experiments and predictions. In this our 3-dimension world, it doesn't work out. So nobody succeeded to prove 10 dimensions in an experiment. Now I will explain about 11 dimensions which are in M theory. 1 dimension. In 1 dimension having only x value. Here height and width are don't have. 2 dimension. In 2 dimension length and height means having only x and y coordinates and no depth. For example, like our TV and mobile screens, they form 2D images on screen. 3 dimension. In this 3 dimension with the x and y coordinates having z coordinates, so depth is adding to it. Best example is we are living in this universe is in 3 dimension. 4 dimension. The 4th dimension is time. We can get a question, how it possible the 4th dimension is time? See this example. We are living in time dimension, but we are traveling in linear, means straightly in one direction. We can't move sides or backwards or forwards in this 3 dimension. What if we can move sides, backwards and forward in time? It is unbelievable to our imagination. Am I right? If a person comes from time dimension, if he stand in front of you, he can get older and he can get elder in front of you. So he is traveling backward and forward in time. Not only that, at a single time he can work in different places, so that means he can move sides in time. In this 3 dimension, how we are living, same the people who are living in 4th dimension, they can easily travel in time. For example, there is a Loki character in Marvel Avengers. He can do different works in same time. So he is accessing time dimension. 5th dimension. In 5th dimension, like our universe with same coordinates, they can travel in parallel universe. 6th dimension. In 6th dimension, they can live in parallel dimensions and they can access to time travel. 7th dimension. In 7th dimension, not only like our same universe, but they can live in different coordinates and can travel in different universe. 8th dimension. In 8th dimension, they live in different coordinate dimensions which are formed and they can travel in different universe, and also they can travel in time. 9th dimension. In 9th dimension, they travel in different kinds of universe, and in that they can travel in time. In that universe, law of physics, initial conditions are having very different. Any scientific principle which we are using now doesn't work at there. The living conditions in 9th dimension are completely different. They are living in very new condition. 10th dimension, for them nothing is impossible. Why? Because they can not only travel in different kinds of universe, they can see their complete history in a single time. They can travel in time, they can create many universe, and same they can destroy many universe. They can change law of physics. Also they can see different universe in a single time. They can access time travel. With their scientific formulas or law of physics, they can change anything. They can change and design a new universe how they want. They don't know the meaning of the word impossible. And the final one, 11th dimension. Scientists named this dimension as unimaginable dimension. Why? Because with our human brains, we can't imagine 11th dimension. It is not possible. So here we can get a question, how the 11th dimension looks like. This is mind-bending question. Same doubt I also got, but we can do nothing. The secret of 11th dimension may know only for science or a superpower. That superpower is leading us, leading our Earth, solar system, our Milky Way galaxy, and our complete universe and everything. That superpower is beyond science and beyond God. Christians believe Jesus created this world. Muslims believe Allah created this world. Hindus believe Brahma, Vishnu and Lord Shiva created this world. And like this many have. In every religion having their own religious books like Quran, Bible and Bhagavad Gita. I am an omnist that I respect all religions and their gods. The superpower is leading us. Okay, I call that superpower is God. We named it as God. The God, He lives in beyond all these dimensions. He lives in unimaginable dimension. And He can live in you, He can live in me, and He can live everywhere. And these spiritual and religious books telling that He created Himself in this world and He can live between us. In Bhagavad Gita, the Lord Vishnu said, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuttanam adharmasya tadatmanam srujanmiham. That means whenever the charity got harmed, if iniquity increases more, then He will definitely come to earth for uplifting the virtue. This is called fate. Still not over. This string theory is not completely wrong. Let us consider if you want to build a cruise ship but you have only blueprint of a small boat. But here the main point we should understand is both work is same and they are built to float on water. Thanks for watching. Treat others as you would wanted to be treated yourself. Stay tuned. If you like the video, drop a like. Which part you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Share this valuable video with your friends and family. And please feel free to comment down. Share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe our channel and support our channel to reach 1K subscribers. Also follow me in Instagram. The links are in description. Stay home, stay safe. This is Pawan Space signing out. Jai Hind.